on, guys? Motonosity here. Welcome back. I've just got a fun video for you today. Got another pure sound. This one on the Yamaha R1 with the SC Project exhaust. Just gonna take you guys along with me, let you enjoy the sounds of this new exhaust. Of course, we got the new rapid bike tuner on here, and the bike is running hella smooth. I hope you guys enjoy it. Before we get to it, we got a sponsor of today's video.
So today's video is sponsored by ridge.com/motonosity. Go upgrade your wallet today with their slim, durable, RFID blocking front wallets with a lifetime guarantee. With over 30 different styles in aluminum, titanium, carbon fiber, or their new 18 karat gold. Click the ridge.com/motonosity link at the top of the description and try it for 45 days, a full refund if you don't like it. Get 10% off too, with free worldwide shipping and returns. Just go to ridge.com/motonosity and use the code Motonosity when you check out.
So thanks to Ridge Wallet for sponsoring today's video. Let's enjoy the ride. back to it. Yo, oh, that was nice. Gorgeous day, like 60-65 degrees, absolutely clear skies. A little bit windy, but not bad. It's just, oh, it's amazing when we get these kinds of days here in the fall in Texas, because man, the temperature, the weather, the humidity, the rain, it's all over the place. You never know what you're gonna get each day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Before I forget, if you want to get any of my Daily 100 merch, make sure you go check it out. It's at motonosity.com. The link is in the description. I got shirts, key tags, hoodies, lanyards, stickers, sticker packs for a discount. It's all there. I got a lot of really cool stuff, and people are starting to post it on Instagram on their story and stuff when they get it. And be sure to do so if you do, because I will share it on my story as long as I don't miss it. If you like the video and you want to see more of this, make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Turn on post notifications. I'll put a link down in the description to the playlist of all the other videos that are kind of like these videos. Oh, and one more thing. I'm planning on bringing back my second channel. If you want to subscribe, I'll put a link down in the description. It'll be right next to the words second channel. But you guys have been awesome. I've been Motonosity. Remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life live. And I'll see you guys in the next one.